Hi friends, good evening. This is your friend Rajeshwar Rao. Today, July 4 at 11:30 p.m. I am speaking from my terrace garden. In this beautiful evening hours, I would like to show you one important flowering plant called Brahma Kamalam. So this is a fully grown plant of Brahma Kamalam which belongs to Asteraceae family, to which the common sunflower, all other marigold plants belong. The Asteraceae family, I think, is the biggest flowering plant family. This Brahmakamalam is an orchid, can be grown at the terrace also, though it is a Himalayan native, and this plant can blossom only during night hours. Have been waiting from the 8 p.m. to see this wonderful phenomena of flowering of this plant, and this is a wonderful flower Brahmakamalam plant. In English it is Sasuria oblongata, and this flower you can see wonderful. It's a double flower, that is flower within a flower with the solid petals, androecium, gynoecium, anthers, and this flower is called hermaphrodite, means it has got both male and female sex organs. Though it will not produce any fruits, this plant can be propagated vegetatively, vegetative propagation, by taking the root portion of this plant. This root portion of this plant, we can put it anywhere and we can develop it. Though it's a Himalayan native plant, and this is a 4 years old plant. This flower can be lasted for only 2 to 3 hours, please. After 2 to 3 hours, this flower will get rid of from the main plant. This is a wonderful phenomenon. Daytime you can't see any flower, and this is called nocturnal flowering plant. So